What's up guys, welcome to DGDX Core. So today I have come up new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you Illustrator 4. So first of all you can choose page. You can create as you like. Today I will show you pencil tool, smooth tool, path tool, join tool. Before class I have already been show text tool till text tool, selection tool to text tool. So today I will show you pencil tool. Just you can select pencil tool, right click on the pencil tool and then show the option. Click pencil tool and now you can draw. Control plus, you can draw like this. You can manage to the stroke. So first of all double click on the pencil tool and pencil tool option open. You can reduce, middle or fast. It's not smooth. If you would like to smooth pencil tool, so double click on the pencil tool and you can increase full smooth and then OK. This is smooth. Select this object and you can manage like this. You can change the color. Control minus, select the object and select on the keyboard. Smooth type tool. What is smooth type tool? Just click on the pencil tool and drag. Double click on the pencil tool and you can reduce pencil tool and OK. You can drag like this. Control plus, click on the selection tool and select this object. Choose the smooth tool and drag like this for smoothness. Like this. So this is a smooth tool. I hope you have already been understand the use of a smooth tool. So now I would like to show you how to use path eraser tool. Control minus and go to the selection tool, select this object and delete. Now you can draw pencil like this. Control plus, click on the selection tool, select the object and you can choose path eraser tool. Now draw like this. Anchor to anchor, drag This is a path eraser tool for break the path. This tool is used for break the path. Select the object and delete. I hope you got it. So now I would like to show you join tool. What is join tool? First of all, select pencil tool and draw like this. Select the selection tool, close the anchor to anchor, control plus. Go to the pencil tool and choose the join tool and drag anchor to anchor. This is join for the two paths. I would like to show you next time. Draw like this and draw like this. Just suppose you would like to join this option. You would like to join this object. Now select this and you can choose join tool and draw like this. I hope you got the process very easily. So now I would like to show you brush tool. Paint brush tool. The shortcut is B on the keyboard. Now you can drag like this and double click on the brush and open option, paint brush option. You can smoothness full and edit selected path and OK. You can choose the option. You can manage like this, reduce the stroke. This is a, you can change stroke color. Now I would like to show you, double click on the brush tool and keep selected. Click on the keep selected and OK. Now you can draw like this, control minus, and you can draw like this, you can draw like this, you can draw like this. Is already join anchor to anchor. If you select the keep selected and OK. Just suppose you can draw here. Now start here. As keep selected on the paint brush tool option, then anchor to anchor, increasing the path. And now if you do not select keep selected, you can draw different. I hope you have already been used in this paintbrush tool. So now I would like to show you blob brush tool. What is blob brush tool? Now control minus, go to the selection tool and drag. After that delete. Now you can choose blob brush tool and drag like this. Select the selection tool, select the object. It's not stroke, it's a fill color. Now double click on the brush, blob brush, and now the option is open. You can manage. This is the size. You can increase or reduce the size. This is the angle. You can manage the angle as you wish, and round. What if necessary for the design for making brush, you can round like this. You can change the variation and okay. This brush is ready. I hope you will be used very easily in this blob brush tool. So next class I will show you eraser tool, knife tool, and this type of tools, all tools. So if you would like to get next video, subscribe this channel and don't forget to share and comments. Bye bye.